What is a project? A project is an undertaking with a defined beginning and an end. A project is executed with predetermined goals in terms of schedule, costs, and quality objectives. We define a project as a set of interrelated tasks which are executed over a fixed period and within certain resource limitations. Primarily, a project has four characteristics. 1. It is typically temporary in nature. It has a defined beginning and an end. 2. It has resource constraints, that is, it has limited resources. 3. It has specific goals and objectives. And 4. Tasks and activities within a project are interrelated. In general, tasks that organizations undertake involve operations or projects. Both operations and projects are planned, controlled, and executed. Then, how do projects differ from operations? Projects are an endeavor that is temporary in nature, but operations are rather permanent. Operations are ongoing execution of activities. Projects are undertaken to produce unique products, but operations produce same result or a repetitive service. Projects are intended typically to be done only once. On the other hand, operations are a mixture of many recurring tasks. The budget is typically defined and fixed for projects, but the budget is not fixed for operations. Revenue and profits from the operation can impact the available budget for the operations. To summarize, project is different than operations. Unlike operations, a project is temporary initiative with defined beginning and an end.